Ready for a spine-chilling adventure into the world of creepy animatronics and dark secrets? Five Nights at Freddy's, Secret of the Mimic is here, and I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install it so you can start the nightmare ASAP. But before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what this game has in store for you. Five Nights at Freddy's, Secret of the Mimic is the latest addition to the terrifying FNAF universe, and it promises to deliver all the suspense, mystery, and creepy animatronics you've come to expect. This time around, you'll be unraveling the secrets of a new, mysterious mimic animatronic that's much more than just your typical haunted robot. The game builds on the tense atmosphere FNAF is known for, adding new mechanics, an eerie story, and more ways to get your heart racing as you survive the night. It's a terrifying, atmospheric journey that'll keep you on the edge of your seat. Now, let's get into how you can download and install Secret of the Mimic on your device. There are two super simple methods, and I'm going to guide you through both of them. First, I'll walk you through the download process in this video. Whether you're playing on PC or console, I'll show you where to get the game and take you through each step of the installation. It's easy to follow, so just stick with me and you'll be ready to face the Mimic in no time. If you prefer a quicker reference or want a written guide, you'll find a detailed step-by-step tutorial linked in the description below. It covers everything you need, from downloading the game to installing it, and even includes troubleshooting tips if you run into any issues. Plus, there's a direct download link so you won't have to waste time searching for anything. We've made sure this process is as simple as possible, so you can dive into the game without any hassle. But if you do run into problems or have any questions, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. I'm always here to help and will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you've got another game in mind that you want help with, let me know in the comments. I'm always looking for ideas to make new guides for the community. If this video helped you out, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. That way, you'll never miss out on our latest tutorials, gaming tips, and download guides. Thanks for watching, and I hope you survive Five Nights at Freddy's, Secret of the Mimic. All the links and resources you need are in the description below, so be sure to check them out. I'll see you in the next video, if you're brave enough.
Fazbear Entertainment is not responsible for damage to property or person. Thank you for being a valued member of the Fazbear team.